Amit Shah slams Rahul Gandhi over Chhat remark, says people will avenge insult. NDA unveils Bihar manifesto with big push for jobs, women and farmers. Despite wooing women voters, Bihar sees lowest female representation in 15 years. ECI gears up for Bihar polls, directs observers to ensure smooth and transparent voting. Tej Pratap mocks Khesari Lal's job promise, says a dancer will give jobs. Hello, you're watching Bihar Election Tracker, where every move, promise and poll battle in Bihar's high voltage election is decoded. I'm Shubh Bhardwaj with all the latest updates straight from the campaign trail. Union Home Minister Amit Shah launched a fierce attack on Congress leader Rahul Gandhi during his rallies in poll-bound Bihar. Shah accused Gandhi of insulting Chhati Maiya and betraying his maternal roots in Italy for calling Chhat Puja worship a drama. Addressing multiple rallies, Shah said people of Bihar will teach the India bloc a lesson. He highlighted NDA's record and development and law and order, contrasting it with what he termed the Jungle Raj under RJD rule. Amit Shah also praised Prime Minister Modi for ending decades-old disputes like Ram Janmabhoomi and Article 370, and announced new projects including a medical college in Lakhisarai and the facelift of Sita's birthplace shrine in Sitamani.
मोदी जी के लिए अपशब्द कहे और आपने छठ मैया का अपमान किया है। ये बिहार है, बिहार। जब 14 तारीख को डब्बे खुलेंगे, दूर दूर तक गठबंधन साफ हो जाएगा।
The NDA has released its joint manifesto for the Bihar Assembly elections, packed with major promises on jobs, welfare and development. The alliance has pledged over 1 crore government jobs, financial aid up to Rs 2 lakhs for women and 9,000 annual support for farmers. The manifesto also outlines free education till post-graduation, 50 lakh new houses, free healthcare up to Rs 5 lakh and free electricity up to 125 units. It further includes ambitious infrastructure plans, expressways, metros in 4 cities, new airports and an industrial boost with tech hubs, AI centers and textile parks. The NDA also vowed to make Bihar flood-free in 5 years and establish medical colleges in every district. As Bihar heads towards the polls, political parties are aggressively courting women voters but failing to give them seats. Out of over 2,600 candidates, only 258 are women, the lowest representation in 15 years. Major parties cite winnability as the reason for the gender gap, even as they roll out women-focused welfare schemes and pitch empowerment as a key poll theme. While the NDA highlights financial aid, loans and job reservations for women, the Mahagathbandhan has promised Rs 2,500 monthly assistance and permanent jobs for Jivika workers. Yet, parties have fielded far fewer women candidates. BJP has fielded 13, JDU 13, RJD 23, Congress has fielded 5 and Jan Swaraj has fielded 25 candidates. Despite past gains, data shows a steady decline in women's political representation, raising questions about the gap between rhetoric and reality. The Election Commission of India has held a key review meeting with 348 observers ahead of the Bihar Assembly Elections 2025. From enforcing the Model Code of Conduct to tackling fake news and ensuring 100% webcasting, the ECI is focusing on transparency, voter safety and participation. The Election Commission has urged observers to create a festive atmosphere on polling day and ensure swift action on complaints via the 1950 helpline and C-Vigil app. Political heat in Bihar continues to rise as RJD candidate and Bhojpuri star Khesari Lal Yadav faces fresh jibes. This time from Tej Pratap Yadav, who questioned his promise to create 50 lakh jobs, sarcastically asking what kind of jobs will a dancer give? The remark follows a similar Nachaniya comment by Deputy CM Samrat Chaudhary, turning Khesari into a political flashpoint. Khesari has hit back, urging leaders to maintain their dignity and respect artists who have earned their place through hard work.
खेसारी लाल कह रहे हैं कि 2 करोड़ जॉब देंगे महागठबंधन के लोग।
कौन सा जॉब देंगे खेसारी लाल? नाचने वाला।
As Bihar moves closer to a high-stakes election, every moment counts. Stay with NDTV's Bihar Election Tracker as we bring you every twist from the campaign trail. This is Shubh Bharadwaj for NDTV.